Okay, here we have an old 8088 based desktop computer. I'm guessing it's somewhere around probably mid-80s, early mid-80s, something like that. I was actually given a couple of these a few years ago now. They've been stored in the top of my garage in the roof space, and just the other day I decided to get them down, dust them off and see if they worked. This one booted up fine, the other one got an issue with the hard drive, so we'll look at that at a later date. So let's have a little closer look. And there we can see it's actually an ELONEX PC-88 Turbo. We'll mention that turbo in a little while. Let's get the thing up and running. So we're looking for the power switch on the right. I'm just going to flick this large red switch in the up position. And hear it booting into life. Let's take a look at the screen now. There we go, green screen, doing a RAM test. So background, green text, the old style screens. There we go, one hard disk installed. It's going to continue now to boot into our operating system. And there we have it. It's booted up into MS-DOS version 3.21. Fairly quick boot time, but then didn't have to load much, did it, really? Okay, let's mention about that turbo speed. We can see here that you've got your normal speed, which is 4.77 megahertz, or turbo is 8 megahertz. So we can just change that. PC speed space 4. Look down here, and see the turbo light's on. Now the normal light is on, and back to turbo mode. Okay, what else we got on this computer? Let's have a look. We've got a floppy drive, so let's load that up. And this is when there's 5¼ inch floppy, real floppy discs. So put that in there. Take a look what's on this disc, and we can see. Let's check it. Let's run that. Down at the disk drive itself, see if the lights come on. Now I'm going to start loading up the Check It PC diagnostic software. Let's hear it, hear the drive working there. Back up the screen, and there we have it. Check It. So Check It version 3.0. Just investigating our system configuration right now, and we're going to be interested in just taking a look at the system info configuration page. And there we go. It tells us the DOS version 3.21, which we saw earlier. Processor type V20 XT machine. The base memory of 512k, available 453k. If you look down there, video RAM size 4k, hard drive 0, 21 megabyte. Wow, not so big compared to today, is it? So let's just come out of that and back to C. I know on this machine we've actually got WordPerfect, so one pre-installed program. So there we go, WordPerfect 5.1 loading up, and it's just coming up there, and ready for us to type our document. So that's WordPerfect running. Just come out of that. So that is our 8088 desktop computer. Still working after all these years. That's great to see. The next one I'm digging out from the roof space of my garage will be a 286 computer, so keep an eye open for that. I shall be doing a video about that one as well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.